draw Tom from Tom and Jerry. Alright, here we go. We're gonna start with a little tuft of hair right about here. There you go. That's a good start. And then his head's gonna come around like this. Right about there. There we go. And then we can bring his beginning of his face down there. And his whisker cheeks right about there. And then a line down there just to show the bottom of his mouth. And then we can make his chin right about here. That's a good look. Alright, right back up here. And there's his whiskers again. There, there, and there. And then this will be the inside of his ear, right about here. There we go. And now we can draw this out like that. And then we can make his ear. Right there. That's looking nice. And then you can bring the inside of his ear around like this. A little swirly like that. Looking good. Now let's do the other ear on the other side. Right about here. And right down like that. Perfect. Alright now, let's draw his snout. So his nose is gonna come around like this. Very good. And he's a cat, so he's got a little muff bit here, like that. Right, bring it on up like that, and we'll give him some cheeks. Right about here. That's looking nice. Now we can draw his nose. Little triangle like that. And now let's bring his mouth down. Right about here. Big old smile on Tom, like that. Don't forget his tongue. Sweet. Looking good. Alright, now he needs some eyes, doesn't he? Here we go. Let's bring his eyes up like this. And right around like that. And another one right about here and down. Now Tom's got a really funny eyes here. He's got very colorful eyes, which we'll show later in the color. So we do two eyes there like that, and then an inside like this, another inside like that, and it will give him a bit of a highlight like that. Will look good when we get to the color. All right then. Now what we can do is give him some eyebrows. Right about here. Looking nice. And another one just slightly off his face, like that. Alright. Don't forget the whiskers now. One there. And another there. And then on the other side. 1, 2. Looking nice. Now let's give old Tom a pose here. What do we have him do? How about his hand on his hip? So his arm out like that, his elbow down, looking nice. Big old pose for Tom. There we go. There's his arm. Little furry bit there. And we can bring his hand now right about here, like this. That's his 1, 2, 3 fingers. And let's not forget his thumb. Right about there. That's looking good. Bring it all in like that, and we'll just make his palm, just like this. That's a good looking hand. Now what we can do is we'll bring his hip bone down like this. And attach it. There we go. Sweet. There's his bum. And now a leg. Let's bring his old leg out like that. Looking nice. And a foot right about here. 1 toe. 2 toes. 3. Looking nice. And right on up again. Alright now. His leg up again like that. Bring it on up all the way. His belly in like this. That's looking good. Alright, and now we can bring his chest up right about here. Bring it on down like that. This looks good. And let's draw his other leg. We'll bring it on like that. Right about here. Looking nice. And his other foot. 1 toe, 2 toes, and 3. There we go. And now up here for his heel, like that. And finish his leg off like that. Looking nice. And we can draw little furry bits here. That's nice. Alrighty then. Let's finish his chest off right about here like this. Bring it all the way down like that and around. There we go. Perfect. Finish his neck off there like that. And let's bring his other arm up like this, like he actually knows what he's talking about. I declare. There we go. More furry bits there. Down for an elbow. And across like that. Looking nice. Now what we need to do is his last hand. So we'll bring his palm up like this and a thumb right about there. Finger up like this. Very nice. 1, 2, and 3. And then we can join that all up right there. And a bit of a palm. Perfect. There we go, everybody. Let's not forget the tail. Cats always have tails. 1, line 2, pointy bit, and a little squiggly furry bit. Very nice. All right, everybody, let's get to the color. So Tom's got dark gray fur, light gray belly, pink ears, a red tongue, green pupils, yellow eyes, and a black mouth and nose. Thanks, everyone.